virus and the bacteria. The bacteria are those infections that need antibiotics. And those viruses or infections which don't need antibiotics and the child will usually recover by the immune system. Okay? I just don't know what happens. So fever. Is fever easy to manage? Yes, so most mothers say yes, no? Since it's easy to manage, it was easier for me to lecture it. So how do you define fever? Paano ko naman maniyan ng bata? Okay, 37.6. Any other temperatures you know? Yes. So as defined, fever is an increase in the body temperature. This is the latest definition that's in temperature. So an increase in temperature could happen in a warm day. Fever can be warm day. What are other conditions that make you have an elevated body temperature? Infection, what else? Besides infection. Warm room, warm clothing, just like drinking. Warm fluid can make you have an elevated body temperature. What else? What do you think? Overactivity. No? Just by eating too much or by playing or by stress or activity, stress